kiinteistöosakeyhtiö Pumpulin Rinne.
Yeah, this is amazing. Also today on the 2nd of March 2025, and we have, what was it again?
Kuninkaankatu 10.
Kuninkaankatu 10 staircase B. We have film staircases A and C here as well. All three are filmed here, you can watch all of them. Unfortunately, they are going to modernize them or replace them soon.
Yeah.
But we got all three here. It's built in 1986 by Valmet art fixtures. So I think these are not here. Finished in 1987. And the number is VS7238. Best these photos, I times like 9 floors, but the base floor sort of. Only in the staircase I was where it could go to the basement, but it was not.
Yeah.
This was the 11th, imported all the way to today in Tampere.
Yeah.
Still not bad today, but it was difficult.
Yeah.
But for a Sunday, this was quite good.
Yeah. Inspirerad var inspirerat meitä by Pirkanmaistekniikka.
Yes. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and you can watch the statuses A and B version. A and C goes on. All three. We got them before the final section.
That's